Hi there and welcome to Fitness Hub. If dark underarms, inner thighs, or private areas are bothering you, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to share some seriously effective tips and remedies that can help you brighten those areas. We're talking natural solutions, my favorite creams, and even some professional treatments. All right, let's dive in. Before we jump into the solutions, let's take a second to understand why this darkness happens. Dark spots, also known as hyperpigmentation, can be caused by a variety of factors. One of the biggest culprits is friction. Think tight clothing, or even just our thighs rubbing together. This constant rubbing can cause irritation and inflammation, leading to darker patches of skin over time. Then there's shaving, which can irritate the skin and lead to hyperpigmentation. The repeated action of shaving can cause tiny cuts and abrasions, making the skin more susceptible to darkening. Hormones also play a huge role, especially conditions like PCOS. Hormonal imbalances can trigger an overproduction of melanin, the pigment responsible for skin color, resulting in dark spots. Sweat and hygiene can contribute too. Dead skin cells can build up and lead to darker skin. When sweat mixes with bacteria and dirt, it can clog pores and cause discoloration. Sun exposure is another major factor. UV rays can increase melanin production, leading to sunspots and uneven skin tone. Protecting your skin from the sun is crucial in preventing dark spots. Now, the good news is that once we understand what's causing the problem, we can target it more effectively. By addressing these underlying causes, we can work towards achieving clearer, more even-toned skin. Let's be real. Sometimes the best solutions are the ones we can whip up right in our own kitchens. Nature has provided us with an abundance of ingredients that are not only effective but also gentle on our skin. These natural remedies are easy to prepare and can be a fun addition to your self-care routine. First up, we have the classic lemon and honey combo. This dynamic duo has been used for centuries to brighten and rejuvenate the skin. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, which gently exfoliates and brightens the skin, helping to fade dark spots and even out your complexion. Just mix a teaspoon of lemon juice with some honey, which is a natural humectant that locks in moisture. Apply this mixture to your face. Leave it on for 10 minutes and rinse off with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel refreshed and glowing. Next, we have aloe vera, a powerhouse of soothing and hydrating properties. Aloe vera is known for its ability to heal and moisturize the skin, making it a perfect remedy for sunburns and dry patches. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly from the plant to your skin. Let it sit for 15 minutes and rinse off. This will leave your skin feeling cool, calm, and deeply hydrated. Another favorite is a turmeric and yogurt mask. Turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help reduce redness and brighten the skin. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric with yogurt, which contains lactic acid, to gently exfoliate and nourish the skin. Apply this mask, leave it on for 15 minutes, and wash off with warm water. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and radiant. Consistency is key with natural remedies. Use these treatments 2 to 3 times a week. Over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and tone. Remember, natural remedies take a bit longer to show results, but they are worth the patience and effort. So embrace these natural ways to lighten up and let your skin shine with health and vitality. Okay, so we've covered the natural remedies, but sometimes you want faster results. Natural remedies are great, but they often take time to show visible changes. If you're looking for quicker results, you might want to consider some dermatologist-recommended creams and treatments that have been proven to work effectively. Let's talk about some dermatologist-recommended creams and treatments. These products are backed by science and have been tested for their efficacy. They can help you achieve clearer, brighter, and more even-toned skin in a shorter period. The first one is Melaglow Rich Cream, formulated to reduce pigmentation and even out skin tone. This cream contains a blend of ingredients that target dark spots and hyperpigmentation, making your skin look more radiant and uniform. Apply it every night to clean, dry skin. Consistency is key here. Make sure to use it regularly for the best results. Over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and tone. Another powerful ingredient is kojic acid, which blocks melanin production. Kojic acid is derived from fungi and is known for its skin-lightening properties. It works by inhibiting the enzyme responsible for melanin production, thereby reducing dark spots and discoloration. Look for creams with kojic acid and apply once a day. These creams are particularly effective for treating sunspots, age spots, and other forms of hyperpigmentation. Make sure to follow the instructions on the packaging for optimal results. Vitamin C serums are also amazing for brightening the skin. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps to neutralize free radicals, boost collagen production, and improve skin elasticity. Apply a few drops of a good quality vitamin C serum every morning. This will not only brighten your complexion, but also protect your skin from environmental damage. Make sure to apply it before your sunscreen for maximum protection. For more stubborn pigmentation, consult your dermatologist about glutathione. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant that can help to lighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots. It's a powerful antioxidant available in tablet and cream form. Glutathione works by neutralizing free radicals and inhibiting melanin production, making it an effective treatment for hyperpigmentation. Always consult your doctor before starting new supplements. It's important to get professional advice to ensure that the treatment is suitable for your skin type and condition. Your dermatologist can provide personalized recommendations and monitor your progress to ensure the best possible results. Using creams and treatments is great, but lifestyle changes are crucial for lasting results. Exfoliate regularly to get rid of dead skin cells. Use a gentle scrub once or twice a week. Wear breathable fabrics like cotton to reduce friction. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water for overall skin health. Maintain good hygiene. Wash and dry those areas thoroughly. These habits support your skincare goals. Keep up with these tweaks to maintain brightness. And there you have it, babes. My top tips for lightening dark underarms and private areas. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so be patient. Real lasting change takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stick with it, and you'll start to see a difference. Embrace your natural beauty. True beauty comes from within. If you have severe pigmentation or concerns, consult a dermatologist. They can recommend the best course of treatment for you. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more skincare tips. Share this video with friends. Everyone deserves to feel confident and beautiful. Let me know in the comments which tip you're excited to try or any other skincare concerns. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, babes!